Good morning students. Today we will discuss about describing words. So first of all we will see the definition of describing words. See the definition: the words that describe or tell something about a noun or pronoun are called describing words. See the example: she is a beautiful woman, he has a big house, he was an intelligent man, Raju is an honest boy. Here, woman, house, man, boy are noun, and the words beautiful, big, intelligent, honest are telling something about these noun. Okay, so these words are called describing words. As we know the definition that words that describe or tell something about a noun or pronoun are called describing words. Okay, so these words are telling something about noun. So these words are called describing words. And now we will see some list of describing words. Fat, happy, tall, thin, poor, small, powerful, black, big, ugly, cruel, fat, blue, beautiful, kind, long, old, lovely, sad, innocent. These are describing words, and describing words are also called an adjective. And now we will see how to identify an adjective from any sentence. We will use these structure to find out adjective or describing words from any sentence. See how it is. Here I have written some example from your book only. Aladdin was a poor boy. He lived in a small hut. One day he found a magic lamp. A powerful genie lived inside the lamp. Now we will use the structure. Number 1. What kind of plus noun. Okay. So first of all we will write what kind of, then noun of the sentence. First sentence is Aladdin was a poor boy. Here boy is noun. Okay, here boy is noun. So how we will write it? We will write what kind of, then noun, a boy. What kind of a boy? The answer is poor. Next sentence, he lived in a small hut. Same, we will write what kind of a hut? The answer is small. Next is what kind of a lamp? He lived in a, one day he found a magic lamp. What kind of lamp? Lamp is noun here. So answer is magic. Next is a powerful genie lived inside the lamp. What kind of genie? What kind of a genie? Powerful genie. Got it? So the answer is poor, small, magic and powerful. Got it? So these are what? These are adjective words. These are describing words. And these words are telling something about boy, hut, lamp and genie. Got it? So after using this structure, whatever the answer will come, the answer will be adjective. Got it? It is very easy to find out adjective from any sentence. Now another, what color shape or how many we will also use. See here. He had a black eyes and a big round belly. He promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. See, the third one first of all we will use. What color eyes? What color eyes? Black. The answer is black. It is also adjective or describing what? It is describing about eyes. Next is what shape belly? It is big and round. Big and round also describing something. Something or what? Something means belly. Belly is noun word here. Okay. Next is how many wishes? See here. He promised to grant Aladdin 3 wishes. So how many wishes? Wishes is noun here, and we have used how many plus noun. How many wishes? The answer is 3 wishes. Okay, answer is 3. So these all answer are describing words. These answers are describing something about noun or pronoun. Okay, so we can very easily find out adjective from any sentence, and you are smart enough, I know, that after watching the sentence you can find out the adjective. But if there will be any problem to find out adjective, or any difficult after watching the sentence to find out adjective, you can apply these structure, and then definitely you can find out the adjective from any sentence. Okay. Now we will see some fabulous adjective which we used in our day-to-day life. See, for appearance we use these type of words, these type of adjective words or describing words: attractive, bold, beautiful. And then for a positive personality we use brave, eager, faithful, delightful, etc. And for negative personality we use angry, lazy, jealous, defeated. Size, for size we use big, fat, huge, little, है ना, etc. See how we use these words in our day to day life. Attractive, an attractive woman greeted us at the door. Brave, he was brave enough to go there alone. Angry, this is negative personality. She gave me an angry look. Big, it is a very big room. Got it? So, in this way, we use in our day to day life. Okay, so your work is you will make sentence from this fabulous adjective which we use in our day to day life, and I am giving you 5 sentences which you will make sentence in your classwork copy and will show me. See, make sentence: bold, faithful, lazy, huge, chubby. Okay, you will make sentence and will show me. And I hope you understand what is adjective or describing words, and you can also learn how to find out adjective from any sentence. Okay, thank you.